Again I'm explaining. The number is 218.06 and we have to write the place value of this given number. So what we'll do? We'll make the columns. Okay, we'll make the columns. Now before decimal point, the unit, tens, hundred, 10,000, 10,000, like the places are increasing. And after the decimal point, here tenth, hundred, we are putting th. Okay, 10th, 100, like this process, places are increasing. Okay, ऐसे places यहाँ पे बढ़ते जाते हैं. So 0 is on the 10th place. So th, I am writing here shortcut 10th, I am writing here th. Okay, you will write like this: 10th place, correct? Here, then 100th place. Again you will write the spelling of 100. Okay, so like this you will write. I am writing only HTU because place is not there, but you will write in a full word. Okay, and this 6 is on the 100th place. This 6 is on the 100th place. So now write the numbers. Which number is on the 100th place? 2. Which number is on the 10th place? 1. Which number is on unit place? 8. Which number is on 10th place? 0. Which number is on the 100th place? 6. Correct? Now we solve it. Now here we have to write the place value of this 100. I hope everyone know the place value, unit, tens, 100 and so on. ऐसे आपको place value पता है. So the place value of this 2, how you will write? 2. Place value of 100 place is 100. So 2 into 100. So place value of 2 is 200. This full you are going to write in this column. ये column में आप ये लिखोगे. Correct? Here. Understood? So here you are going to write 2. Sorry. Here you are going to write 200. But how you will write 200? Not directly 200. This step you will follow. 2 into 100 equals to 200. This full you are going to write in this column. Okay. Now 10 place. Now place value of this 1. Okay. So place value of this 1. It is on the 10th place. So 1 into 10, because the 10th place value is 10. 10 का place value is 10. You will multiply by 10 only, na? So 1 into 10 equals to 10. So full you are going to write in here in the tens column. Okay, so place value of this one is 10. So ये पूरा वाला यहाँ पे लिखोगे this column. I am not having place, so I am writing here down. But this full you are going to write in this column. Okay, in this box you will write. Now next is 8. Place value of 8. Okay, now 8 into 1. Unit का place value क्या है? 1 ही. You will multiply by 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. So place value of this 8 is 8 only. Correct? Now student pay attention. Now you are going to write the place value of 10th place 0. 10th place 0 पे जो 0 है, 10th place पे जो 0 है, उसका आपको place value लिखना है. So how you will write? 0 into 1 upon 10, because the first after decimal fraction, the first place is 1 upon 10, multiple of 10. Correct na? So 0 into 1 upon 10 is 0 only. Correct na? 0 ones are 0. And if you divide 0 by 10, you will get 0 only. So place value of this 0 is 0. Correct? Correct? And the next 6. On the 100 place 6 is there. So place value of this 6. 6 into 1 upon 100. You will write 1 upon 100 only. Why? Because this 6 on the 100th place. So 6 ones are 6 and upon 100 will come. Okay. 6 ones are 6 upon 100 will come. Now tell me, ये तो हम लोग ने कल ही देखा. 6 upon 100. So what will come? 0.06. Correct? Because whole number is not there, so you will put 0, and in the denominator 2 zeros are there. That's why after decimal point you will give 2 places. Correct? Denominator में 2 0 है, इसका मतलब you will give 2 places after decimal point. So 0.6 will come. Correct? Correct, no? Understood? So what will come over here? 0.06. So place value of this 6 on the 100 place is 0.06. Understood, everyone? Understood? I am telling again one more example. 21.5. Now I am not making columns, I am telling you directly, but you will make the column. This 2 is on the 10th place, this 1 is on the unit place, this 5 is on the 10th place, this 5 is on the 10th place. Now we'll write the place value of this 2. 2 is on the 10th place, so 2 into 10, because we are multiplying by 10, that then only we'll get the place value of this 2. So 2 into 10 is 20. So place value of this 2 is 20. 2 का place value क्या आया? 20. Now 1 unit place 1. So 1 into 1 you will multiply by 1 only, na? Because the place value of this unit place is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So here place value of this 1 is 1 only. Now next 5. Now 5 is on the after decimal fraction point. So place value of this 5 is 5 into 1 upon 10. 5 into 1 upon 10. So 5 ones are 5. 5 upon 10. Correct? 5 upon 10. Now whole number is not there. So what you will do? You will put 0. Now put the decimal point. Now in the denominator 10 is there, means after decimal point 1 place will come. So answer is 0.5. Answer is 0.5. Understood, student? I am writing like this, but you are going to make the columns. आप columns में लिखोगे ये सारा. The first will come the number. उसका first column आएगा numbers, then place, and then place value. Correct? Place value. तो numbers में यहाँ पे जो भी numbers होंगे आप आगे लिखे हुए, place में जो भी place है unit 100 10 100 वो places लिखोगे, and here you will do the place value after multiplying 100, after multiplying 1, after multiplying 1000, जो भी होगा आपका, और 1 upon 10 और 1 upon 100, जो भी आपका place value होगा उससे multiply करके you are going to write the place value. Whatever answer you will get, you are going to write in this place value column. Okay? So students, here one more example is given. Write the place value of 210.86. So here the digits are given. First column, as I told you, numbers or digits. So 21086. It is written over here. Correct? Then second column is place. So 2 is on the 100th place. The 1 is on the 10th place. 0 is on the unit place. This 8 is on the 10th place and 6 is on the 100th place. Okay. Now how to find out place value? 2 is on 100 place. So 2 into 100 is 200. Then 1 is on the, so place value of this 2 is 200. Now place value of this 1. So 1 is on the 10th place. So 1 into 10 equals to 10. So place value of this 1 is 10. Then 0. 0 is on unit place. So if you multiply any number by 0, you are getting 0 only. So 0 into 1 equals to 0. So already you have written 0. Correct? Now 8 is on the 10th place because it is coming after the decimal point. 8 is coming after the decimal point. So you will multiply this. You will multiply this 8 by 1 upon 10. So 8 into 1 upon 10. So what will come? 8 ones are 8 और denominator में क्या रहेगा 10. Correct? Now answer is whole number is not there, so you will put 0, put the decimal point. Now in the denominator 1 0 is there, means in the answer after decimal point only one place will come. Correct? So 0.8. So place value of this 8 on the 10th place is 0.8. Okay? And the next 100 place, so 6 into 1 upon 100. So 6 upon 100. 6 upon 100 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 0.06, because in the denominator 2 zeros are there, means in the answer after decimal point 2 places will come. So our answer is 0.06. Okay? Okay? So now we are going to start problem set 38. Problem set 38. Now 6.13. 6.13. You will make the column like this: digit, place value. But I am writing here directly because place is not there. So 6.13. Sorry, 6.13, not 13, 6.13. So 6 is on the unit place. See, 6 is on the unit place. So 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6. So place value of this 6 is 6. Okay. So यहाँ पे लिखोगे 6 on the 10th. ये कॉलम तो नहीं आएगा 100 का. ओके, टेंस का भी नहीं आएगा. 6 कौन से प्लेस पे? यूनिट प्लेस पे. करेक्ट? यूनिट के प्लेस पे. सो ऑन द यूनिट प्लेस 6 इज देयर. सो 6 into 1 equals to 6. So place value of this 6 is 6. So पहले कॉलम में ये आएगा. Then next column is 1. This 1 is on the 10th place. This 1 is on the 10th place. So 1 into 1 upon 10. So 1 into 1 upon 10. आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 को हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे in the decimal point? 0.1. Because whole number is not there, so we'll put 0. And after decimal point, one place will come because in the denominator 1 0 is there. So answer is 0.1. Correct? And the last 3. 3 is on the 100th place. 3 is on the 100th place. So 3 into 1 upon 100. 3 into 1 upon 100. So 3 ones are 3. 3 upon 100. So what the answer will come? Whole number is not there, so you will put 0. Then decimal point. Now in the denominator 2 zeros are there. Means in the answer 2 places will come after decimal point. So answer is 0.03. 0.03. Correct? तो ऐसे 3 कॉलम आएंगे: यूनिट, 10 and 100. Okay? And you will write the answer. Okay? Now next sum. I'll tell you the next sum. Third one sum. 72.05. Here I'll tell you 72.05. Now this 2 is on the unit place. This 7 is on the 10th place. Okay, after decimal point 0 is there. It is on the 10th place. TH, 10th place. And this 5 is on the 100th place. Correct? This 5 is on the 100th place. Now, we'll write the place value of this 7 first. So 7 is on the 10th place. So 7 into 10. 7 tens are 70. So place value of this 7. Place value of this 7 is 70. Place value of this 7 is 70. Now next number is 2. 2 is on the unit place. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So place value of this 2 is 2 only. Place value of this 2 is 2. Then next, place value of 0. So 0 into 1 upon 10. Why we are taking 1 upon 10? because 0 is after the decimal point. So 0 into 1 upon 10. So if you multiply and if you divide any number, okay, by 0, so you are getting 0 only. So answer is again coming 0. So place value of this 0 is 0 only. And the last 5 is 5 is on the 100 place. So 5 into 1 upon 100. So 5 ones are 5 upon 100. So our answer is 0.05. Why 0.05? Because in the denominator 2 zeros are there. So after decimal point 2 places will come. So our answer is of this place value of this 5 is 0.05. 0.05. Okay, very simple to find out the place value of each digit in the given number. ये जो डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन है उसका हर एक डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू ढूंढना बहुत इजी है. ओके, नाउ विल टेक द फिफ्थ एग्जांपल 0.59. very simple one. Fifth example 0.59. now 0 is on the unit place, correct? This 5 is on the 10th place and this 9 is on the 100th place, correct? मैं shortcut में लिख रही हूँ. You are not going to write in a shortcut. You will write the full spelling, correct? Now unit place value of this 0 on the unit place. So what will come? 0 into 1. So place value of this 0 is 0. 0 का place value क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा, correct? Now 10th place value of this 5. तो 10th place का जो 5 है उसका वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 5 into 1 upon 10. 5 into 1 upon 10. So 5 upon 10. So place value of this 5 upon 10 is 0.5. Correct? Why 0.5? Because in the denominator 1 0 is there. So 0.5. Then next 9. 9 का place value क्या आएगा? 9 is on the 100th place. So 9 into 1 upon 100. So answer is 9 ones are 9. 9 upon 100. 9 upon 100. Now answer is 0.09. Whole number is not there, means you will put 0. After 0 you will give the decimal point, and after decimal point in the denominator 2 zeros are there, means in the answer 2 places will come after decimal point. So 0, 9 will come. Okay, okay, understood everyone? Now before starting problems at 39, please clear some concepts. Okay, now 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Everyone know 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. अगर 1 rupees मतलब 100 पैसे तो 5 rupees means 500 पैसे. Correct no? Correct no? 1 rupee equals to 100 paise means 5 rupees equals to 500 paise. 6 rupees means 600 paise. Correct? 10 rupees means 1000 paise. Correct? You are multiplying by 100 only that number. उस rupees को आप लोग multiply करोगे. Correct? Now 0.50 rupees, 0.50 rupees means how many paise? Now decimal point के end में अगर 0 आता है तो that 0 is not having any value. So we can write this 0.50 as 0.5 also. ये decimal point के end वाला 0 बता रही हूँ, नंबर के पहले वाला नहीं. अगर नंबर के पहले 0 आता तो इसे वैल्यू होता, बट इट इज कमिंग आफ्टर नंबर, आफ्टर डिजिट, तो इस 0 को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा होता 0.05, so this 0 is having value, but this 0 is coming after digit and it is the last 0, so this 0 is not having any value. तो अगर मैं इसके आगे 4-5 और भी 0 लगा दूं, these zeros are not having value. इसे हम लोग ऐसे ही बोलेंगे 0.5 ही बोलेंगे, because these 4 zeros are not having any value. Okay, so 0.50 rupees means 0.5 rupee. Okay, so 0.5 rupee means 50 paise. 0.5 रुपी मतलब क्या 50 पैसे. 1 रुपीज मीन्स 100 पैसे. 0.5 रुपी मीन्स 50 पैसे. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट 0.07 रुपीज. 0.07 रुपीज इसका मतलब क्या? ये ऐसा कब आता है? डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद अगर दो प्लेसेस है, जब 7/100 हो तभी. करेक्ट ना? तभी आएगा ना ये आंसर. मीन्स व्हाट? आउट ऑफ 100 पैसे 7 पैसे आर देयर. मतलब 7 पैसे. 0.07 मतलब क्या कि 7 पैसे. समझ में आ रहा है आप सबको? देन 4.5 रुपीज. 4.5 rupees. So student, here 4 is a whole number, so 4 rupees, and after decimal point 5 is there, so 5 पैसे. तो समझ में आ रहा है? so 4 ये whole number हो गया, तो 4 क्या आएगा? रुपीज आएगा. and after decimal point 5 is there, तो 5 क्या आएगा? पैसे आएगा. करेक्ट. करेक्ट. 5 after 5 you can write 0, तो 50 पैसे भी हो जाएगा. ओके. so 4 rupees 50 पैसे. like say 17.65 rupees means 17 rupees 65 पैसे. okay. now next 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. everyone know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. so 8 meter is equals to 800 centimeter. सेम वैसे जैसे हम लोगों ने पैसे देखा 1 rupees is equals to 100 पैसे. so 8 rupees is equals to 800 पैसे. like that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. so 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. now 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter मतलब क्या आएगा? 30 सेंटीमीटर. कन्वर्जन किया हम लोग ने 30 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. करेक्ट. now when you will solve the examples, that time you will understand it very well. okay. 0.40 meter means 40 centimeter. now see 0.40 meter. so here after decimal point 2 places are there. so if you multiply this by 100, so you are getting 40 centimeter. same 2.65 meter equals to 2 meter and 65 centimeter. जो whole number है वो मीटर में जाएगा, and small वाला number after decimal fraction point वाला number it will go in a centimeter. lower छोटे वाले इसमें जाएगा. okay. 14.9 meter. so 14 meter and 9 centimeter will come. small unit will come. okay. now we'll solve the exercise so you will understood it very well. so our first example is 58 50 rupees 58. Problem set 39. First read the question, write how many rupees and how many paise. We have to tell the how many rupees and how many paises are there. so okay, first one is the 58.43 rupees. 58.43. so here before decimal point this 58 is there, whole number is there, so 58 rupees will come. 58 rupees will come, and this 43 after the decimal point, so 43 पैसे will come. इतना सिंपल है. पॉइंट के पहले वाला होल नंबर होता है तो वो रुपीज आएगा, पॉइंट के बाद वाला जो है वो पैसे आएगा, बिकॉज इट इज अ फ्रैक्शन. ओके. so 58 rupees and 43 paise. we have to tell only how many rupees are there and how many paises are there. okay. so 58 rupees 43 paise. next is 9.30 rupees. 9.30 sorry 30 rupees. 9.30 rupees. so 9 is a whole number, so 9 rupees will come, and 30 पैसे will come. 30 पैसे will come. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? My handwriting is very bad here. okay. everyone understood this? next example 2.3. 2.3 rupees 2.3. So here, how many rupees are there? 2 rupees. How many rupees are there? 2 rupees. And पैसे 3 पैसे. करेक्ट. इतना सिंपल सा है. हमें सिर्फ रुपीज और पैसे बताना है. जो डेसिमल पॉइंट के पहले है वो रुपीज है, डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद है वो पैसे है. करेक्ट. सो 2 रुपीज 3 पैसे. करेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Now, question number 2. Question number 2. How many rupees in decimal form? Write how many rupees in decimal form. Now, the paise are given and rupees are given. We have to write this in a decimal form. तो हमें दिया है 6 rupees. मैं शॉर्टकट लिखती हूँ, आप देखो. फर्स्ट इज 6 rupees 25 पैसे. पहले हमें डेसिमल पॉइंट में दिया था, हम लोग ऐसे वर्ड्स में लिख रहे थे. Now this is given. Now we have to write it in a decimal form. So 6 rupees. So 6 is a whole number. So 6 will come. After that we'll give the decimal point and 25 paise will come as it is. So 6.25 is the answer. We are writing this rupees in decimal fraction. इसे हम लोग ने कैसे लिखा? Decimal form में लिखा. So 6 rupees 25 paise means 6.25 rupees. Okay. Next is 15 rupees 70 paise. 15 rupees 70 paise. कैसे आएगा ये? 15 is a whole number, so we'll write directly. Point, because whole number is over, so we'll put decimal point and we'll write the fraction. So 70 will come, 70 paise. So we have written this in a decimal form. 15.70 rupees. 15.70 rupees. इतना सिंपल सा है. Okay. Next is 720 paise. 720 paise. Now here 720 paise are there. Okay. तो इसमें 700 plus 20 है. 700 paise equals to 7 rupees. Correct, no? 700 paise equals to 7 rupees. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? So 700 means 720 paise means 7 rupees plus 20 paise. Okay, so 7.20 rupees. 720 को हम लोग ने कैसे लिखा? 7.20 rupees. Why? Because 700 equals to 7 rupees. So 7 is a whole number. So 7 is written given the decimal point and 20 is a fraction. So 20 rupees. Okay. So 7.20 rupees. Understood, everyone? Understood? Now, question number 3 is also very simple. Write how many meters and how many centimeters. Again, same simple one. वैसे ही बताना है जैसे हम लोग ने पैसे पहले किया. Now rupees is not there, centimeter and meter is there. So 58.75 meter. 58.75 meter. Correct. So here 58 is a whole number. So 58 is a meter and 75 is a fraction. So 75 is a centimeter. 58 meter 75 सेंटीमीटर. डेसिमल फॉर्म को हम लोग ने नॉर्मल किया. ठीक है. पहला क्वेश्चन है कि डेसिमल फॉर्म को नॉर्मल में लिखना है और सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन है कि नॉर्मल को हम लोग डेसिमल पॉइंट में लिखना है, डेसिमल फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो हियर 58 मीटर एंड 75 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट इज 9.30 मीटर. सो आगे 9 इज अ होल नंबर. सो 9 meter will come and 30 centimeter will come. Simple. Correct. Here last one 91.4. 91.4 meter. So 91 is a whole number. So 91 meter will come and 4 सेंटीमीटर will come. पहला मेजरमेंट आता है बड़ा और दूसरा वाला यूनिट आता है छोटा. मीटर से छोटा होता है सेंटीमीटर. रुपीज बड़ा, पैसे छोटा. ओके. So first unit will come bigger and second unit will come smaller. Okay. Understood this? Now fourth question. Write how many meters in decimal form. Now we have to write in a decimal form. 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So one is a whole number. So one will come. Put the decimal point and write the file 0 meter. Now bigger unit will come. जब decimal form में लिखते हैं तब bigger unit आता है. Okay. So 1.50 meter. Understood? Then next 50 meter, 40 centimeter. What answer will come? Tell me. 50.40 meter. 50.40 meter. Very good. Very good student. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Now 10 सेंटीमीटर. 10 सेंटीमीटर कैसे आएगा? 10 सेंटीमीटर कैसे आएगा? टेल मी. वेरी गुड अर्चना, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. 0.10 meter. 10 centimeter means what? 0.10 meter. Very good student, very good. So I hope everyone understood this very well. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 5 भी same है. How many centimeters and how many millimeters? 6.9 is centimeter. Now we are solving question number 5 and now first question is 6.9 centimeter. 6.9 centimeter. So here 6 is a whole number. So 6 is come सेंटीमीटर. अब ये मीटर से छोटा वाला सेंटीमीटर आ गया तो इसका छोटा वाला और यूनिट कौन सा होगा? मिलीमीटर. So 6 centimeter and 9 will come as millimeter. 9 will come as millimeter. सेंटीमीटर से छोटा वाला यूनिट क्या होता है? मिलीमीटर. So how we will write this centimeter in a normal form? 6 centimeter, 9 millimeter. Okay. Okay student. समझ में आ रहा है आपको सबको ये? ध्रुवी प्लीज लोअर डाउन योर हैंड फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट 0.8 centimeter. 0.8 centimeter. So whole number is not there. So whole number is 0 meter. whole number नहीं है. इसका मतलब क्या आएगा? सॉरी 0 मीटर नहीं आएगा. 0 सेंटीमीटर because it is centimeter is given. So 0 whole number is not there. So 0 will come as centimeter. 0 centimeter and this 8 is a fraction. So 8 millimeter. It will come as millimeter. Very good student. Very good. So I hope everyone understood it very well. And we have to write now centimeter in a decimal form. Question number 6. Question number 6 is decimal form में लिखना है हमें अभी 7 centimeter and 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. तो आगे decimal form में कैसे आएगा? 7.1 centimeter. Correct, no? 7.1 centimeter. Srishti Pandey, unit is compulsory. Okay. Then next is 144 meter. So millimeter is that. 144 millimeter. So 144. So here 140 is there. 140 centimeter. So 14 centimeter will come. 14 centimeter and 4 millimeter. ये हम लोग ने ऐसा क्यों लिखा? Because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Correct, no? 1 centimeter मतलब 10 millimeter. तो 140 millimeter मतलब कितना होगा? 14 centimeter होगा. So 14 is a whole number. 14 centimeter, 4 millimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter, 4 millimeter. I hope this is very easy. You understood it very well. Okay. So here we finish the problem set 39.